Welcome to our channel Simply Mathematical. In this video, let us do the exercise 5.1 from problem number 1 to the problem number 14. Okay, that is the whole exercise. So, this exercise 5.1 is from the complex numbers and quadratic equations chapter, okay, of class 11th. So, what you have to do here, express each of the complex number given in the exercise 1 to 10 in the form a plus ib. Okay, so what you have to do is you are given 10 complex numbers here. Okay, you have to bring those complex numbers in the form a plus ib. Okay, so let us look at the first question. So it is 5 times I multiplied by minus 3 by 5 I. Okay, so if you just simplify this, what you will get is, see, you can multiply as you multiply the algebraic expressions. Okay, so you can multiply this to this. Okay, that is 5 multiplied by minus 3 by 5. Okay, multiplied by I multiplied by this, so I into I. Okay, so here 5 and 5 will get cancelled, you will get minus 3 multiplied by I square. Okay, so that is minus 3 multiplied by minus 1. Okay, that is nothing but 3. Okay, and we can write this 3 as 3 plus 0I. Okay, that is the imaginary part is 0 and the real part is 3, right? So this is in the form a plus ib. Okay, this is in the form a plus ib, right? Okay, so this is the first question. Now let us go to the second. The second question is I raised to 9 plus I raised to 19. Okay, this is the second question. Now what you have here, you have powers of iota. Okay, that is I raised to 9 plus I raised to 19, right? Now this formula you have to remember, okay, which I am writing here. This I have already explained you. You can check out the previous video of this chapter, okay, in the playlist. That is the complex numbers and quadratic equation introduction, then algebra of complex numbers. You can check that video out. Okay, so the formula were I raised to 4m is equal to 1, I raised to 4m plus 1 is equal to I raised to 4m plus 2 is equal to minus I. Okay, and I raised to 4m plus 3 minus 1 it is here. Okay, I raised to 4m plus 2 is minus 1 and I raised to 4m plus 3 is minus I. Okay, so this formula you have to know. Okay, now if you come back here, what it is, this is I raised to 9. Okay, you can write it as what, 4 multiplied by 2 plus 1. Okay, and this I have not told here, it is m belonging to integers, right? M should belong to where? Integers. Okay, so m is an integer. So how you can write 9? I raised to 4 multiplied by 2 plus 1, right? And how you can write I raised to 19? You can write I raised to, you write a multiple of 4, okay, first, that is 16 plus 3, that is 19, right? So 16 is what, 4 multiplied by 4 plus 3. Okay, so you find the closest multiple of 4 for this, that is 16. Okay, and which is less than this. Okay, so that is 16. So 4 into 4, that is plus 3, you will get 19, right? So like that. Now what is this? This is I raised to 4 some integer m plus 1. So that is what, I. Okay, and plus this is what, I raised to 4 some integer plus 3. So that is minus I. So this is minus I. So you'll get I minus I, which is 0. Okay. Now this 0 you can write it as 0 plus 0I. Okay. So this is in the form what? A plus IB. Right. So this is the answer. Now let us go to the third problem. Right. Now the third problem is I raised to minus 39. Okay. This is the problem. So what you do is, now for negative powers, what you have to do is, see here, you have the formula for 4m plus 1, right? Then 4m plus 2, then 4m plus 3, right? Every formula is for what? It is for plus, okay? Now minus 39, how you can write? Minus 39, you write it as 4 times a negative multiple, a negative number, okay? Okay, that is, you will get a negative multiple of 4. So you write what? 4 minus 10. Okay, that will give you minus 40 plus 1. Right? So in this case, minus 39, you have to take a number which is less than minus 39. Okay, and which is a multiple of 4. Right? So that is minus 40. Right? So how you will write? 4 times an integer, right? This is an integer m. This is an integer, right? Minus 10. Okay. Then plus 1 you write. So what you will get? Minus 40 plus 1 is minus 39. Okay. So you can write this as I raised to 4 multiplied by minus 10 plus 1. Right? And so according to the formula here, what you have? I raised to 4m, where m is an integer, plus 1 is I. So this is I. Okay, so this is nothing but 0 plus I. Okay, so this is in the form what? A plus IB. Okay, so that was the third problem. Now fourth, you have 3 multiplied by 7 plus I multiplied by 7 plus I times 7 plus I7. Okay, so this is simple, just multiply this as you multiply normal brackets. So 3 times 7 is 21 plus 3 times 7 is 21, and this is I here, plus 7 times I, right, plus 7 times I square. Okay, 7 times I into I is I square. Okay, now this is what? 21 plus 21I plus 7I, and here you will get 7. I square is minus 1. Okay, so what you will get is 21. Then here you can add this. 21 plus 7 is 28. Okay, and this is minus 7. So what you will get? 21 minus 7 is 14. Right? 14 plus 28I. Okay, so this is the answer, right? Okay, this is in the form A plus IB, right? Okay, now let us look at the fifth problem. The fifth problem is 1 minus I, right, minus 1 plus 6I, right? So if you simplify this, this is 1 minus I, and you just take the minus sign for this bracket, so you will get plus 1, right? Minus into minus is plus 1, and minus into plus is minus 6I. Okay, so what you will get is 1 plus 1 is 2, and minus I minus 6I is minus 7I. Okay, so that is what you will get, 2 minus 7I. Okay, and this is in the form A plus IB. So this is the answer. Okay, now let us look at the sixth problem. Sixth problem is 1 by 5 plus I times 2 by 5 minus 4 plus I times 5 by 2. Okay, so if you simplify this, you will get 1 plus 5, then see, you can directly do this. What you have to do here, you have to subtract this, okay, from this, sorry, this from this, right? 1 by 5 minus 4, so subtract the real part from the real part, okay, subtract the real part from the real part, right? And what you'll get, plus I times subtract this from this, so 2 by 5 minus 5 by 2, okay. You can also open the bracket and do it like this, 1 by 5 plus 2 by 5 I minus 4 minus 5 by 2 I, and then you can take this and this together, okay, and this together, okay. So if you take this and this together, you will get this 1 by 5 minus 4, and if you take this and this together, okay, you will get plus I, you can take common from this, okay, 2 by 5 minus 5 by 2, okay. So what you will get here, 1 minus 20 by 5, okay, if you take the LCM, plus I times, here you can cross multiply, right? If you cross multiply this, you will get 4 minus 5 times 5 is 25 divided by 5 times 2 is 10, okay. So this is equal to what, minus 19 by 5 plus I times 4 minus 25 is minus 21 divided by 10, okay. So that is equal to minus 19 by 5 minus 21 by 10 I, okay, and this is in the form what, A plus IB, right? That is the sixth problem, okay. Now let us go to the seventh problem. Seventh problem is 1 by 3 plus I times 7 by 3 plus 4 plus I multiplied by 1 by 3 minus of minus 4 by 3 plus 1, okay. You can do by just opening the brackets as how you do for algebraic expression, okay, that will be easy method. So 1 by 3 plus 7 by 3 I plus 4 plus 1 by 3 I, right, and then minus minus is plus 4 by 3 minus and plus is minus I, okay. So now if you combine the like terms, what are the like terms? That is the real part, 1 by 3 plus 4 by 3, right? So that is 1 by 3 plus 4 by 3, okay, and here you combine this, okay, and this. So if you take I common from this, you will get 7 by 3 plus 1 by 3, right, minus 1, okay. So now if you take the LCM and add this, what you will get? So 1 plus, here it will be 12 plus 4 divided by 3, right? Here you have to multiply and divide by 3, okay, multiply and divide by 3. So 1 plus 12 plus 4 divided by 3 plus I times, here you have to multiply and divide by 3, okay. So what you will get, 7 plus 1 minus 3 divided by 3. So this is nothing but 12 plus 1 is 13 plus 4 is 17 by 3 divided plus I times, okay, plus I times 8 minus 3 is 5 by 3, okay. So this is of the form what, A plus IB, right? So this is the answer, okay. Now let us look at the eighth problem, right? Eighth problem is 1 minus I raised to 4, okay. So you have a power here of, that is 4, okay. How you can write this? You can write this as 1 minus I the whole square multiplied by 1 minus I the whole square, okay. So now if you simplify this, you will get 1 square minus 2 I plus I square. Okay, the formula for a minus b the whole square, a square minus 2ab, that is 2i, plus b square, okay, multiplied by 1 square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so 1 square minus 2i plus I square, the same thing, that is, okay. So what you'll get, 1 minus 2i minus 1, okay, and here you'll get 1 minus 2i minus 1, right? So 1 and minus 1 will get cancelled here, 1 and minus 1 will get cancelled, and you will get minus 2i, right, multiplied by minus 2i, okay. So minus multiplied by minus is plus, 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, and I multiplied by I is I square, okay, which is nothing but 4 multiplied by minus 1, okay, I square is minus 1, which is minus 4, okay, and this minus 4 we can write it as what, minus 4 plus 0i, right? So this is in the form a plus ib, okay, so this is the answer, right? Okay, now let us go to the 9th problem. Ninth problem is 1 by 3 plus 3i the whole cube, right? So now if you use the formula for a plus b the whole cube here, okay, what you'll get, a cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square plus b cube, okay. So this is a and this is b, right? So 1 by 3 the whole cube, then 3 times 1 by 3 the whole square, okay, that is a square, multiplied by b, okay, that is 3i, plus 3 times a multiplied by b square, so 3i square plus b cube, okay, b cube, so 3i the whole cube, okay. So now this is what, 1 by 3 cube is 27, plus you will get 3 times 1 by 3 square multiplied by 3i, plus 3 multiplied by 1 by 3 multiplied by 9i square, right, and plus 3 cube is 27 I cube, okay. So now this is nothing but 1 by 27, here 3 1 3 gets cancelled, also this, so every 3 gets cancelled here, so you'll get plus I only, right, plus here 3 and 3 will get cancelled, you will get 9i square plus 27 I cube, okay. So this is what you will get, so that is equal to what, 1 by 27 plus I plus 9 times I square is minus 1, okay, plus 27 I cube is nothing but minus I, right. So that is equal to 1 by 27 plus I minus 9 minus 27i, okay. So that is equal to what, 1 by 27 minus 9, okay, you collect the real part, okay, that is this 1 by 27 and minus 9, okay, the terms without I, so that is the real part, 1 by 27 minus 9 plus, here what you can do is I, okay, I minus 27i is what, minus 26i, right, 1 minus 27 is minus 26 and I, right. So what is this, this is 1 minus 9 multiplied by 27 divided by 27 minus 26i, right. So what is 27 multiplied by 9, 27 multiplied by 9 is 7 9s are 63, 2 9s are 18, okay, 9 2s are 18 plus 6 24, okay. So 1 minus 243 divided by 27, right, minus 26i, So that is minus 242 divided by 27 minus 26i, right? 1 minus 243 is minus 242. Okay, so this is what you will get, and this is in the form what? A plus ib. Okay, so this is the answer, right? Now let us go to the 10th one. It is minus 2 minus 1 by 3i the whole cube. Okay, so again the same formula you have to use, that is the whole cube. But what we have to do here, what we'll do is, first we'll take minus sign common. So minus of 2 plus I by 3i the whole cube, right? So which is equal to minus 1 cube, that is this. Okay, here it is minus 1 multiplied by this, right? So minus 1 the whole cube multiplied by 2 plus 1 by 3i the whole cube, right? So minus 1 cube is minus 1. Okay, multiplied by what? You have to find this. Okay, a plus b the whole cube, that is a cube, right? Plus, okay, this is a, this is b, a cube plus 3a square b, right, plus 3a b square, right, plus b cube, right? So this is nothing but minus of this, right? 8 plus, see this 3 and 3 will get cancelled, and this 2 square is 4i, right? Plus here what you will get, 3 times 2 multiplied by 1 by 3 I square, plus here you will get 1 by 3 cube multiplied by I cube. Okay, so what you will get is 8 plus 4i. Okay, here 3, right? Oh, this is 3 square here, right? 1 by 3 the whole square I square. So 1 3 will get cancelled, and you will get 2 by 3, right, I square. Okay, 1 3 gets cancelled, you will get 2 by 3 I square plus 1 by 3 cube is 27, I cube is minus I. Okay, I cube, you know, it is minus I, right? So if we simplify this, what we will get, let us see. So if we simplify, we will get here, that is minus bracket 8 plus 4i, this will remain the same, minus 2 by 3 I square is minus 1. Okay, and this will be minus 1 by 27 I, right? So minus 8 plus 4i. Okay, then minus 2 by 3 I square is minus 1. Okay, and then there is 1 by 27 I. Okay, so this is what we will get. So this is equal to what? Minus of 8 plus 4i plus 2 by 3, right, minus 1 by 27i. So which is equal to minus of this, here the real part we can add first. So 8 plus 2 by 3, that is, we can collect it together first, right? And then we can take common from these two, and so what we will get is 4 minus 27i. Okay, so that is nothing but minus multiplied by 8 multiplied by 3 is 24 plus 2 divided by 3. Okay, and here plus 27 multiplied by 4 is what? 28, right? 28, 4 2s are 8, So 108 you will get 108 minus 1 by 27i. Okay, so minus of 24 plus 2. Let us see here if I have done any mistake. Okay, so 8 plus 4i. Oh, this is what yeah, here I square was there and plus was there here. Okay, here plus it is, so here it is plus, right? Here it is plus, so this is plus here. Okay, so this will be minus and this will be minus here. Okay, so this will be minus, right? So 24 minus 2 is 22 divided by 3 plus 107, 108 minus 1, that is 107 divided by 27i. Okay, so what you will get is minus 22 by 3 minus 107 by 27i. Okay, so this is nothing but a plus ib. Okay, so this is the answer. So that was the 10th problem. Now let us go to the 11th one. So here you have find the multiplicative inverse of each of the complex numbers, right? So what you have to do here is find the multiplicative inverse of each of these. Okay, so let us see how to solve. So multiplicative inverse of first 4 minus 3i, right? So multiplicative inverse of 4 minus 3i is 4 minus 3i raised to minus 1. Okay, like how inverse of x is x inverse. Okay, that is in real numbers 1 by x, right? So also in complex number, if the complex number is a plus ib, then the inverse is a plus ib raised to minus 1. Okay, or 1 by a plus ib. Okay, so this 4 minus 3i raised to minus 1 is 1 by 4 minus 3i. Okay, just the reciprocal of this complex number. Okay, so this is what, this is 1 minus 1 by 4 minus 3i. Okay, now to find the complex number, okay, that is the multiplicative inverse. Yes, this is the multiplicative inverse, but we want to write it in the form a plus ib. Okay, so for that what you do is you multiply and divide by the conjugate of this complex number. So the conjugate of this complex number is 4 plus 3i, right? Conjugate means you have to change the sign of the imaginary part. Okay, so here it is minus 3, so you will write the conjugate as plus 3. Okay, with the real part as the same. Okay, so 4 plus 3i, you have to multiply and divide by the conjugate. Okay, so this is what, this is 4 plus 3i. Okay, 1 multiplied by 4 plus 3i divided by 4 minus 3i multiplied by 4 plus 3i. Okay, this is what you have. So what you will get is 4 plus 3i multiplied by, now this is a minus b multiplied by a plus b, right? A minus b multiplied by a plus b. So the formula which holds in the real numbers also holds here. So what you will get is a square minus b square. Okay, so you will get 4 square minus 3i, sorry, minus of 3i the whole square. Okay, bracket 3i the whole square, right? A minus b square. Okay, so b is what, 3i, and the minus is in the formula. Okay, So you will get 4 plus 3i divided by 4 square is 16, right, and minus of 3 square is 9, then I square. Okay, so 4 plus 3i multiplied by divided by 16 minus 9 multiplied by I square is minus 1. Okay, so what you will get is 4 plus 3i divided by 16 minus into minus is plus 9. Okay, so what you will get is 4 plus 3i divided by 25, right, and so which is nothing but 4 by 25 plus 3 by 25i, right. So this is the multiplicative inverse. Okay, of 4 minus 3i, right. So that is the 11th problem. Now let us go to the 12th problem. Okay, you have to find the multiplicative inverse, right. So root 5 plus 3i, the complex number is given to you. Okay, so the multiplicative inverse of the multiplicative inverse of root 5 plus 3i is equal to what? Root 5 plus 3i raised to minus 1. Okay, which is nothing but 1 by root 5 plus 3i, right. So which is nothing but 1 by root 5 plus 3i. What you have to do here? You have to multiply and divide by the conjugate of this complex number. Okay, so that is root 5 minus 3i divided by root 5 minus 3i. Okay, so that is equal to what? 1 multiplied by root 5 minus 3i is root 5 minus 3i, the whole divided by root 5 plus 3i multiplied by root 5 minus 3i. Okay, so that is equal to root 5 minus 3i divided by, again you can use which formula? A plus b multiplied by a minus b. Okay, so that is a square, okay, minus b square, right. So that is equal to what? Root 5 minus 3i divided by, this root and square will get cancelled, you will get 5 minus 3 square is 9 and I square. Okay, so that is equal to root 5 minus 3i divided by 5 minus 9, I square is minus 1. Okay, so this is equal to root 5 minus 3i divided by 5 plus 9, right. So that is equal to what? Root 5 minus 3i divided by 14. Okay, so if you separate the numerator, what you will get? Root 5 divided by 14 minus 3 divided by 14i. Okay, so this is the multiplicative inverse of root 5 plus 3i, right. Now let us go to the 13th problem. Here you have to find the multiplicative inverse of minus I. Okay, so the multiplicative inverse of minus I is equal to minus I raised to minus 1. Okay, that is nothing but 1 by minus I, right. So this is nothing but 1 by minus I. You have to multiply it by I and divide by I. Okay, so what you will get? 1 times I is I and minus into plus is minus I square. Okay, so that is I divided by minus multiplied by I square is minus 1. Okay, so that will be I. Okay, divided by 1, which is I, right. So this is the multiplicative inverse of minus I, right? Now let us, that was the 13th problem. Okay, now let us go to the 14th problem. So the 14th problem is this: express the following expression in the form a plus ib. Okay, so this expression is given to you. You have to express this in which form? A plus ib. Okay, so what you have 3 plus I root 5 multiplied by 3 minus I root 5 divided by, okay, root 3 plus root 2I minus root 3 minus I root 2. Okay, so basically what you have to do is you have to simplify this. Okay, you have to get which form? A plus ib. So just simplify. Okay, so let us see. Now this is what? A plus b, right? This is A, this is B, and this is A, and this is B, right? So A plus B multiplied by A minus B, so that is A square, right, minus B square, okay, the whole divided by, just simplify this, root plus root 2I minus root 3, okay, minus minus plus I root 2, right? So this will be equal to 3 square is 9, okay, minus I square, right, and root 5 the whole square, the whole divided by, now here you can see that root 3 and minus root 3 get cancelled, okay, and what will remain is root 2I plus root 2I, okay, so which is equal to 9 minus I square is minus 1 multiplied by this root and square will get cancelled, will get 5, right? So the whole divided by, this is root 2I plus root 2I, that is 2 root 2I, okay, so this is nothing but 9, okay, 9 minus minus is plus 5, right, minus minus plus 1 into 5 is 5, so divided by 2 root I, right, so that is what? 9 plus 5 is 14, right, 9 plus 5 is 14 divided by 2 root I, right. So here what happens is 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, so 7 by root 2I, right. See, we want which form? A plus IB, right. So here the I is in the numerator, so what we have to do here? So 7 by root 2I, right, we have to multiply and divide by I, right. So what you will get is 7I divided by root 2 I square, okay, and which is nothing but 7I divided by root 2 I square is minus 1, okay, so this minus will go on the top and you will get minus 7I divided by root 2, right. So this you can write it as what? 0 minus 7I by root 2, right. So this is of the form A plus IB, right. So this is the required answer, okay. So that's it in the video, guys. If you have liked my video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video.